अपनी खूबसूरती पर लगाइए चार चांद with an exclusive lab grown diamond jewelry collection from Limelight Diamonds. Shop the perfect diamond jewelry you always wanted.
What's this?
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
शाहरुख,
Did you know this?
जब we met.
इनको तीनों को तो पहले निकालो कंपटीशन से।
हम तो सच्चे हीरे हैं, हमें कैसे निकालोगे?
कैसे आ गया वो मेकअप सीट वाला?
बाप रे बाप रे, जो छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका।
कंगना.
Isn't she in London?
It's
a dhumka.
Why are we in this game?
Alcohol.
Beer.
Now that looks like a दूध का bottle.
Does
the
na?
lipsticks Dilwale Dulhania?
Because he does
not that.
in that scene.
This ridiculous.
I also said चाहिए चाहिए.
चाहिए.
I also knew it. Give it to me also. I've got
I
no
also
voice.
said चाहिए.
Who said Titanic?
Like I said when they were entering, that you can love them, you can also troll them, but can you ignore them? Not at all. No. Well, we have an entire group of fans joining in today for Limelight Diamonds presents Kalata India Fans Festival with the fabulous 7 women who I have loved watching. I've only gotten to watch 3 episodes, but I've watched them 4 times over, guys. Well, before we begin, I have to tell you something about our brand that has sponsored this. Limelight Diamonds is India's largest lab-grown diamond brand. Well, lab-grown diamonds are actually 100% real diamonds. They are exactly the same as natural diamonds, only with a different source and origin. They also help you save a lot of money, people's lives, and the environment. They have an exquisite set of jewelry present in 20 stores across India, so you can visit them or just log on to www.limelightdiamonds.com. Well, there's a reason why we have Limelight Diamonds as the main sponsor for our event, because today I'm gonna make you guys play a game. It's a Bollywood game. It's very simple. You have to guess the Bollywood film from the poster or the costumes.
We know who's winning this.
Yeah.
Well,
Just give the hamper to Bhavna.
Well, and the winner gets a diamond pendant from Limelight Diamonds right here. I don't think in any of the games that you've played, you've been given a diamond.
No.
But can I tell you something? Maheep is a jeweler. Neelam's a jeweler. Ridhima's a jeweler. इनको तीनों को तो पहले निकालो कंपटीशन से।
हम तो सच्चे हीरे हैं, हमें कैसे निकालोगे?
I'm very competitive.
Now, you have to guess the movies one by one.
One by one.
No, I'm gonna show it on my tab. One by one नहीं, मतलब जो पहले बोलेगा उसको, ठीक है? या अभी चाहिए और स्कोर रखना कोई, ठीक है? First one.
He's showing the poster, na?
Yeah. First one.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Oh shit.
रिद्धिमा.
I told you. दे दो mic.
Bhagwati.
Bhagwati, it's right there.
Next one.
I thought real posters were.
एक
coming.
कौन है?
Oh, I know. रब ने बनाती जोड़ी.
जोड़ी माइक से बोलना.
Shahrukh.
Yeah.
She's right.
शाहरुख.
Did you know this?
One all, मतलब one and all of them are. Next one.
What's this?
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
One second, I know this.
I don't know this.
I know this.
Die.
Give a hint, na?
Riddhima, if you are not getting it,
What
Barfi.
is this?
Barfi.
This is a tie.
you should.
Rockstar.
Wake up Sid.
Yeah!
Wake up, Sid. But how is this wake up?
Because he's a t-shirt and all ties.
Everybody is going to office like dressed up and he's in t-shirt.
Oh God.
So
Oh, shit.
one all to all 3 of you.
Rockstar. This I saw.
Yeah.
That's it.
Next one.
Yeah.
I can't see.
जब we met.
No.
Queen.
No, Queen, yeah. She's too
But
fast,
that looks
man.
like Paris.
No,
Yeah,
Kangana.
Isn't she in London?
That
It's a dhumka. Listen, it's too far.
कैसे आ गया वो makeup set वाला?
Wake up,
Next
she
one.
said.
This is a costume again.
Oh.
Student of the year?
मैं हूँ ना.
मैं हूँ ना.
No, this
What
is
is this?
Mohabbatein.
This is Chashma.
Student of no.
Which is a film of Shah Rukh
Kabir, my name is Khan.
हाँ कोई मिल गया कोई Oh, I didn't see
Piku.
shit. She's too good, man.
Yeah, I saw the chair. There's that.
I don't remember the chair.
I've seen it.
My brain is
Kabir Singh.
Chalo, we'll give it to both of Shalini.
Kabir
Shalini,
Singh, yeah,
Shalini.
there's a doctor and
No, I just
alcohol.
said beer.
Now that
over
looks
there.
like a doodh ka bottle.
I thought it was medicine bottle.
Beer is written.
I was gonna say Devdas
मुझे
also.
नहीं दिख रहा
ठीक है?
अब दिख रहा है yeah.
Next one.
Oh, जब we met. Now we both said it.
Yeah.
No, one
Why are
second
we in
आया,
this
one
game?
now.
Dilwale Dulhania. I saw this.
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया.
Like that he
How
does
is the
now.
lipsticks Dilwale Dulhania?
Because he does na that.
In that scene.
This Riddhima.
How have you not done a Bollywood film?
Yeah.
I remember this very clearly when
I am
Shah Rukh
shocked.
does this.
Where were you for so many years?
PJ
Everyone is very
fan.
proud. Next.
Oh, wait. Oh, I know. Hera Fairy?
Yes! Hera Fairy. Next one.
Oh.
Amir Khan, Fana.
Shit, yeah.
बाप रे बाप ये जो छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका
करके बैठो. 1, 2, 3.
Mahib gave one answer.
They know everything so fast that I'm just.
I'm actually a little slow right now.
Next.
Oh,
no,
Gajni.
Gajni.
दिमाग वाला. Gajni.
See that thing, right? That haircut.
Next.
Oh, I didn't.
Oh God.
Chaya Chaya.
Dil se.
Did say.
Chalo, I want to give 1 point also to Mahip for saying Chaya Chaya and to Riddhima for saying.
I also said Chaya Chaya.
Chaya Chaya.
I also knew it. Give it to me also. I've got
I
no
also
voice.
said Chaya.
I'm being quiet because the answer is
No, just don't be quiet.
get the dabba.
Next.
I don't like to be coupled.
I said it first.
सबको दे दो सबको except Kalyani.
First. That's cheating.
Kalyani's left the building.
I did say it first.
Go, Hamni
Give
left.
everybody 1 point and give her an extra.
Who said Titanic?
It's the same.
Bollywood.
Dabang.
सीमा को दे दो.
ये
सीमा
सीमा
को दे दो.
सीमा को दे दो. This one.
सीमा को दे दो. सीमा को.
Oh, I'm tired.
Three Idiots.
No.
Oh, Jai Jagadish.
No. It's
Dil Chahta
Akshay
Hai.
and Amir and
I got. Which one? Dil Chahta Hai.
Dil Chahta.
Oh, that's Akshay. Yeah, I'm thinking it was a ship
Mike
sign.
Mike is giving the Wikipedia and the IMDb bio.
You know what? I thought this was the Shiv ka those marks. Idhar, हाँ.
Next.
Oh, I know this.
Bhul Bhulaiya.
Oh shit.
Bhavna, you know what? I would be really embarrassed if I was you. I would. Don't sit on camera, you fool. I would be very embarrassed.
Yeah.
I'm taking this personally. This fellow with that
Oh,
thing is very cute.
wait. Andhadhun.
Andhadhun, yeah.
That's why I'm making you.
Don't challenge me.
you.
Andhadhun.
This is amazing. I wouldn't guess this.
Aram se.
What is that? That's so
Control. No. Wait. I
There's
know
a
this.
heart and
Highway.
Sulabh Shauchhalay.
There's like studies and there's music. There is daru and there's chicken. There's the girl.
Rocky or Rani?
And you clearly are not getting it.
No, I'm not getting
I
it.
think
It's
it's that
your,
Arjun and
Naam
Alia's
Jayegi.
film. It
Hasina
is that.
Even I'm thinking
You are
Khana.
also not getting
Khana
it.
Khazana.
No, it's Arjun Alian. What is
Two
it?
states. I'm screaming two states.
I said two.
दोनों को दे दो, दोनों
दोनों को दे दो.
हाँ, Nadia, you went ahead.
I'm very competitive.
This was the end of this round, guys. Oh. And well.
Who's got the diamond?
Riddhima.
But she's a jeweler, yeah. उसको
Who
मत
is at
दो.
what score?
आप ले. Gift it.
Bhavna is at 4. Riddhima is at 13.
Big shame.
You have missed some points.
Yes,
of
I
mine.
agree.
Yeah.
I think.
said I gave 1-2 more.
I think so too.
4 तो बहुत कम है.
Seema is at 1. Seema is at 2. 1.
What rubbish! I took one other one. I forgot.
Dabang and one
And one
extra.
more
One
I
extra
took,
we
two.
gave.
Two I got.
Dabang, if she didn't get it, would be a shame. Shalini is at 3. Neelam is at 2. Kalyani couldn't. 0. And Mahip is at 4. So
Possible I
How
had
can
more
Mahima
answers.
be happy
Yeah,
with
I
this
gave
one?
more
She's
answers.
given- If she's 13, she'll be about 10.
I think regardless of
9
that,
or 10.
You win, you.
regardless of that, I feel that
Let's give it is 5 points, Bhavna, you're losing.
Yeah, it's fine. Ridhima's won. Chalo.
this amazing diamond pendant goes to Ridhima. And you can see it.
Ridhima, give us
I've got a lot of gifts today. Diamond, chocolates, cup.
You got a cup.
I've got a cup.
But I want to open it for you.
This kind lady gave
I'll
me a
open
cup.
it.
Oh, please. Have it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So cute.
very cute. Very cute. Very cute.
Pretty.
Very nice.
Neelam is like, chalo.
So sweet. Thank you.
Thank you, Nayan.
Thank you. This was so much fun.
And this was so much fun and so long.
So before I end, I must tell you that you've got one lab-grown diamond from Limelight Diamonds, which is India's finest and the biggest
It's
lab-grown
beautiful.
diamond jewelry brand. It's one of the exquisite pieces that we had. And if you wanted to, please go to any of the 20 stores that they have across India, or just log on to www.limelightdiamonds.com. How does it feel? I know you're a jeweler yourself.
Elated. I feel so excited. Thank you. I mean, I actually won this. I was like, totally, I have to literally live up to that name, na? Chota packet, bada dhamaka. So, matlab, chila ke, and I'm very competitive like that. So, I just wanted to win.
Also, I think Ridhima is a true blue filmy.
I
Yeah,
love watching movies.
really.
But I'll tell you something. Fun fact. When I was a child, okay, I didn't watch too many mainstream movies. I was a die-hard fan of horror films, and I still am. I have watched every Ramsay brother movie, the horror show, everything. Like literally, like I used to be at home. If parents were out, Ranbir was. I used to start singing.
Scary, Ridhima.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. She's scared of ghosts. But yeah. And I still love watching horror films.
But I have to thank all of you because you guys have been such sports. Thank you guys have loved me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. This was amazing.
अपनी खूबसूरती पर लगाइए चार चांद with an exclusive lab grown diamond jewelry collection from Limelight Diamonds. Shop the perfect diamond jewelry you always wanted.